My name is Ann Edens. My law firm's name is Edens Law Group, and we are a family law firm. We handle divorce, domestic violence, custody, non-dissolution cases, which are unmarried parents, adoption, and mediation. As the senior partner and owner, I handle a lot of the divorce cases, and particularly the high income, high asset divorces. I also do a lot of the custody cases, the high conflict custody, whether it's, a resolution or trial. I also am the attorney in the firm that does mediation, and I'm in charge of the adoption department.
My name is Eva Urich. I work as an associate attorney at Edens Law Group, and specifically I handle all types of matrimonial matters from divorce, custody, support. I do specialize in domestic violence and non-dissolution cases.
I handle a lot of custody matters, a lot of divorce, contentious divorce cases, again, prenuptials, post-judgment matters, orders to show cause for emergencies. I also specifically handle cases for native Spanish speakers. I'm fluent, and so I help folks who have difficulty, English not being their first language, understanding the entire divorce process, the court system being quite overwhelming. And it's much easier to have an attorney be able to explain the process to you step by step than having to do it through a secretary or paralegal, and clients really enjoy that.
When I get a result for a client that can change their life, it is the most amazing feeling, because people walk into my office and they're scared, they're apprehensive, they don't know what the future is going to hold for them. And to be able to work within the court system, but to get a very positive result that focuses on the children is a great result.
I think clients come to our firm because, a couple things. We have many, many years of experience. Our boss, Ann Edens, has over 30 years of experience and is a court-certified mediator. So we try as best as we can to take a collaborative approach where we can and an aggressive litigation stance where we can. And I think clients appreciate having both of those possibilities.
Client communication is incredibly important to our firm, and when I listen to clients that are coming from another firm sometimes, or just friends or associates that have been to another firm, that's the one biggest complaint that I hear. I call my attorney and I don't hear anything for a week. And as an attorney, I can say that for us, we hear the same questions over and over, and we think, oh, it's no big deal. For the people living it, it's huge, and they want an answer, and they sit and they become more and more nervous. And so our policy is no phone call is not returned within 24 hours. Our law firm is different from other firms, I believe, in quite a few ways. I think that our initial approach is a divorce or a custody issue or an adoption, whatever it's going to be, in the best interest of my client. So that doesn't mean litigation. It doesn't mean I'm going to put on my warrior hat and go fight necessarily. We start out with, how can we make this a global situation that's going to work and protect you and your children? So I think that really differentiates us from a lot of firms. That and the communication, the being there for the client, listening, and enjoying with them their successes. We are a very small firm. We have 3 attorneys and 2 paralegals, an intake person, and an office manager. And I think that is a great advantage because everyone knows you. They know you by name. It's not a number. And one of the things that I think is really important in a small firm is that we work as a team. So if one of us is going to be on vacation, I have an attorney that knows my client's file inside and out, including not just the basic facts, but the person themselves, their kids, their ages, if there's any special needs. They can jump right in and be there for the client. So I think that's a huge advantage of small firms.
During your initial case evaluation, we'll go over the facts of your case. We will answer any questions that you might have. I will try to explain your legal rights to you, and I will give you an accurate and honest assessment of your chance of prevailing on the various issues of your matter.